What is up guys, another side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Zoho Desk. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho Desk website, and after that, you need to log in or sign up with your email and password, and then you will be redirected to this homepage of your Zoho Desk tickets. So if you want to create a ticket, you need to click on this arrow, and then you can add a new ticket, a new article, a new topic, account, contact, a new report, a new dashboard, a new contract, a new event, or you can even send some WhatsApp messages. And after that, here on the left side, here are your tags, wherein you can just add any of the tag that you like in your ticket. And this is the team queue, wherein you can add a new team. And this is the agent queue, wherein you can add some agents that you want according to your vision requirements. And here in the views section, you can see all the tickets that you have created, and you can just edit them. And here, these are the feeds. Currently, no feed is available, but once we start collaborating and getting feeds, here the feeds will be visible. And if you have any team feed post, you can just watch it here. And this is the HQ, which is the homepage basically, wherein you can see all your analytics and all your agents, online agents, offline agents, your threatened tickets, and your negative ratings, your positive ratings, the live traffic currently going on. So this is how you can set up your Zoho Desk. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.